Sometimes it is necessary to define the hanger distance from a fire-rated wall to ensure that the hanger is not placed too far away. To address this, the Batch Install Support and Hangers tool now includes the ability to define the distance from a fire-rated wall for hangers. Additionally, it is also possible to set the distance for standard walls without a fire rating. The classification of a wall as a fire rated is based on a built-in Revit type parameter. The tool reads this parameter from the wall. If it contains any value, the wall is considered fire rated. For example, if I check this wall, the fire rating parameter has no value. So this wall is not fire rated. Let's move to the Batch Install Support and Hangers tool. The distance before and after a non-fire rated wall is set to 300 mm, and for a fire rated wall it is set to 250 mm. Users can activate these distance settings in the Additional Settings dialog. If they are not activated, the distances will not be applied and will appear grayed out in the main dialog. Now perform the batch installation. Select the support hanger to be used, define the range, and choose the model. Linked models can also be used with the tool. However, it is important to note that only native Revit walls are recognized. For example, direct shapes are not considered by the tool. I'm selecting the branch where the hangers will be installed. Now let's measure the distance to the fire-rated wall. It's 250 millimeters. And to the non-fire-rated wall. And it is 300 millimeters.